Which plants are most easiest to grow? Today I will be covering up about top 5 plants which are easy gardening, easy to grow and easy to maintain, and also one of the beginner gardeners plants. So stay tuned to Tamara's garden. So the first plant that is so easy to grow is lucky bamboo. You can grow them with a single stem and also they grow in no time. You can put them in water to propagate for a couple of days, keep it near a window and you will see amazing growth of the roots. So you can grow this one plant easily. This is a lucky plant too and also one of the feng shui plants. In feng shui this is also called as one of the best and also money attracting plants. So have this beautiful lucky bamboo plant. I recommend this for a beginner gardener because this is so easy to grow. So first thing is take a healthy stem and put it in water to propagate. After that you can put it in soil. So this is the first plant that I suggest having in your garden as a beginner gardener because this is so easy to grow. ZZ plant. This plant also you can propagate easily with a single leaf. I have done the video as well how to propagate them with a single leaf. So this is another beautiful plant which is easily grown without fertilizer as well. These plants that I have mentioned in the video, you don't need to fertilize like other plants time to time, but once a year you can use organic fertilizer once you are doing the repotting because these plants need to be repotted at least once a year. So the ZZ plant, also known in feng shui as the money attracting plant, a wealth plant, so have this plant also in your garden. This is very easy to grow, a low maintenance plant too. So have these permanent low maintenance and easy to grow plants in your garden. These are best indoors because these plants doesn't need much care and also much fertilizer. One of the most easiest plants to grow is the money pothos plant. They come in many varieties and if you have time you can watch many videos that I have uploaded to my channel how to grow them, how to care for these beautiful indoor plants because they prefer the shade. These plants grow really well in the shade, so they are preferably indoor plants. So this is the next plant that I suggest as a beginner gardener. Bring one plant and you will see in no time you can make more and more free plants. So these are the plants that you can grow really very easily. In addition to that, I have another plant for a beginner gardener. If you are a beginner gardener, find this pandanus plant. Pandanus plant also you can grow without fertilizer and also in a very less time you will see how they grow very beautifully. They are permanent, low maintenance, without fertilizer also you can grow, and also they make a lot of free plants. They make baby plants, you can divide them easily from the mother plant and make free plants. So this is also one of the easiest plants to grow. This plant can tolerate sun also, so you can no problem, you can keep them outdoors, keep them indoors, and this is one of the beginner gardeners plants. Next plant is jade plant. You can easily take a small stem of this jade plant which prefers a lot of sunlight in the morning. Keep it in a very bright area in the morning sunshine and you will see the amazing growth of jade plant. Jade plant, also known as one of the luckiest plants as the happy plant or the coin plant. So in feng shui also this brings prosperity and abundance to your home. So keep this plant also in your garden collection which is very easy to grow. Beginner gardener, you can make many free plants out of them. Put them in small pots and you will see amazing growth of this. Keep in mind not to overwater this plant. So if you want to know more about growing jade plant, you can check on my channel as well. I will put the link in the description. You can see a lot of small stems I have put in DIY planters as well, but during the rainy season these plants leaves turn yellow because of too much of exposure to the rain. So keep it away from the rainy water. Too much of them will destroy the plant. So these plants need a lot of sunlight in the morning as I mentioned earlier. Next plant for a beginner gardener is aloe vera. This is a succulent plant and also grow without any fertilizer. So this is wonderful for a beginner gardener. Keep it in a place where it gets the morning sunlight, and also do not overwater this plant. This plant too, I will put the link in the description of how to grow and make more plants out of them. So watch them also with your time, and this is an easy to grow plant. So thanks for watching today's video about the easy gardening, easy plants for beginners. So stay tuned to Tamara's Garden. If you are new, consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching.